Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, to start the vehicle so everything's powered on, and then to make sure your radio's on, here's your power button. So you want this unit on for this to work. And then from here, we can go to phone. And here it's going to start searching for paired phones. So we can do an add here.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
And then from your phone, make sure your Bluetooth is on, which is that symbol. And then often if you press and hold that symbol, it'll pull up your pairing menu, so pair new device. And we're looking for sync, as it says up here, as well as what the voice said, and it just popped up. Sometimes this takes a few minutes or a few tries. You might have to restart your phone or the car.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
These numbers do match, and then it's also prompting if you want to sync your contacts and whatnot for easier taking calls while you drive. So we confirmed all that, and then it wants you to also confirm here with this yes. And after just a few moments, we should be all set. Pairing successful.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So again, if you want to sync up your messages, well, all that, just for making it more convenient for you. Now that we're synced up, you can make it your favorite as well, which just means it's going to try to auto-connect to your phone every time you start the car. It's for convenience. So you can hit yes or no. And then connect your phone book if you want, yes or no. But now we can take calls, listen to music. Some newer models, especially if you've got a larger interface, you might be able to do navigation and whatnot as well. And to get to your music, your Bluetooth music, we'll do media. And then you can tap this until you're on this Bluetooth audio. And enter that. So now we're in Bluetooth audio, so your phone would be connected. And then you're gonna make sure you've got whatever playing on your phone you want to play, as well as the volume's on your phone, and the volume's on your device here. And then you should be able to hear your music. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.